In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send a clan mail here in Clash Royale. This is perfect for leaders and co-leaders who want to communicate with all members. But if you do find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. Now, first things first, you are going to need to make sure that you are leader or co-leader. Only these roles can send clan messages. Once doing so though, click on the clan tab, and inside the clan, you're going to want to look for this little message icon. And once you're in the clan, go ahead and click up at the top to open up the full clan, and then select this little message icon. This is going to pull up a prompt that looks something like this, where you'll be able to enter in your message here, and then enter in the message for your clan mates, just like so. And then all you have to do is simply hit send. Now that first line is your subject line, that second line is going to be the full message that everyone is going to see, but it really is as simple as that. The message is going to be delivered to every single member of your clan. But yeah, that's it. It really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe for even more videos like this. Have a great day. Peace.